In this video, I will make a real application for APHRAH registration for myself, and this will be a guide for you. So please watch this video completely. First, on your mobile or laptop, open Google browser. On Google, just prompt Australian Nursing Registration. Mostly on the first, you will see Nursing and Midwife Board of Australia and registration. So just click on the very first link on the registration and you will be directed to the APHRAH website. And even if you are not directed to the registration page, just click here on go to APHRAH or National Board. Just click on this option and then you will be directed to the National Health Practitioner Boards page. From there, just go to Nursing and Midwife Board and select that option. This will take you to the Regulating Australia's Nurses and Midwives page where you can start with your registration. Here you can see two options for midwife or for nurses. So just select whatever is relevant to you. I am selecting for nurses. Then you can see there are two options, how to apply and how to report. So if you want to know more about how to apply, just select on this option and you will get more information regarding it. Otherwise, just select apply for registration. Then you will be directed to registration and endorsement page. On this corner, it will show start online application and just select that. This will take you to the registration page. If you don't have login, then please create your account by clicking on I don't have a login, where you have to mention your all details such as name and date of birth as per your passport, then your email address, and then proceed to next. Once you have created account, log in into your account again with your credentials. Once you are into your account, you will able to see similar kind of interface. On the left hand side, you'll able to navigate what information you need to fill. So very first, you need to fill your details such as your complete name as per your passport. Second is your address details. So you have to mention your address, your complete address of residence as per your passport. Third is proof of identity. For this, you can upload your passport copy. Third is your qualification details. So from where have you done your nursing, start and end date of your course. Next, you'll have to upload details of your registration number. So as you are applying through TTMR route, then you'll have to enter your New Zealand Nursing Council registration number and then some declarations whether you'll be involved in exposure prone procedures and all. Here I would select yes because I am unaware with what kind of department and area settings I will work. So that is why I'll just mention yes for the safer side. Then some disclosures. So you will have to mention if you are registered with some body for indemnity insurance. If you are not registered, just say no. And then obligations such as if you are under any sentence or any case or something, and then you'll have to upload your document. So for this they are very particular. Now how do you certify your documents? First we will see how do you certify, and then we will see who are eligible to certify. First, any document without photograph can be certified, and the person who is certifying it has to mention I have cited the original document and certified this to be the true copy of the original. This they have to write in their own handwriting. They have to mention date and their own name, complete full name, contact number, and their occupation or profession if they have professional number, any license number, and then stamp or seal if available. So certifying documents instructions, here is one of the examples they have given. So see, There are two different sentences for photographic ID document and non-photographic ID document, and this is how the officer should certify and write this sentence and mention his own details. Now the documents with photograph, for this the standard is the officer has to write, I certify that this is a true copy of the original and the photograph is a true likeliness of the person presenting the document as signed by me, with date, authorized officer name, contact number, occupation or profession, and if professional number is available, seal and stamp if available. Now we will see who can certify the documents. Amongst these, inside or outside Australia can certify. Any healthcare practitioner registered in Australia, such as health practitioner, Chinese medicine practitioner, dental, medical, radiation, midwife, nurse, occupational therapist, optometrist, osteopath, paramedic, pharmacist, physiotherapist, podiatrist, psychiatrist, or legal, such as lawyer, barrister, anyone can certify. Whoever is in Australia, such as public servant of federal, state, territory or local, teacher full-time, part-time, at school or tertiary education institute, court positions such as justice of peace, justice, magistrate, registrar, deputy registrar, clerk, CEO of the common court, then commissioner of affidavits, commissioner of declaration, elected government representative of federal, state or territory or local, bank officers who has more than 5 years of experience, accountant, minister of religion, chartered secretaries, Australia, engineers other than student, Australian Defence Force, notary public, whoever is outside Australia, such as notary public, employee of the Commonwealth or Australian Trade Commission who works outside Australia, justice of peace or any Australian diplomat officer can certify your document. You have to upload your certified document here. Once that is done, you can go and make your payment. So you have to make payment of Australian dollar 503, which is non-refundable and one-time payment. Proceed on payment and do your payment, and then you will get your application ID. In few weeks you should receive your APHRAH registration number.